Good day, this is the room service. How may I assist you today?
Good day. Would you like to order one club sandwich and iced coffee, please?
May I have your room number, please?
Room 305.
Go. Thank you very much, sir. Let me repeat your order to compare one club sandwich and one iced coffee. For room 305, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Go. Perfect. Your order will be delivered without 20 minutes. May I place the order now?
Yes, please.
A few moments later.
Good day. I come in, please.
Yes.
Allow me to set up your table, please.
Yes.
Where is your bill, sir? Please sign here.
Sir?
Cut. Thank you very much, sir. Enjoy your meal. Please call room service if you need anything else.